Alright, V950, got the Microheli head, blue arrow servos. I've trimmed down a set of Xtreme 235mm blades down to 215mm. I really like these blades, got a bit more chord width to them and they've got a little bit thicker profile. Flies really good on these blades. My beaten up old 200 SRX canopy, but it adds a bit of colour. Carbon fibre tail boom. I quite like the white tail. It's off a Blade 250, 230S actually. Makes the tail a lot easier to see. Red stripes on things just to make the rotor tips stand out. Running some Leopard Power 1100 batteries. Nice little battery those. Suits it quite nicely. Bit lighter too, which is good. Anyway, we'll zip her up and give her a whiz around. We're in 6-axis mode. Alright, now we're in 3G mode. Okay. Now we have some agility. That's more like it. I actually moved the servo links in one hole from the vertical setting and actually smoothed the whole heli out and made it a lot nicer to fly. Plenty of agility. I reckon the new vertical gyro board definitely flies better than the old board. Who would have thought V950 could fly this good? You can hear the tail working, but it's behaving. Yeah, bundle of fun. Putting a bit of aileron in, doing a loop was kind of funky. Probably has some fancy name. Boy, some people need to learn how to bloody control these kids. Fuck's sake. Haha, missed the board. Hell with it. Well, I'm calling that really good. Really like those wider chord bays. Agility seems to have gone up. Helicopter's really responsive. Seems like a really good good combo. Microheli head really makes it fly nicely as well. No two ways about that. Could be my new little fun aerial clown by the looks of this. Great fun.